Before updating the firmware, you need to put the device into download mode. It is important to mention here that before putting the T-Embed CC1101 into download mode, in order to prevent power on state from affecting the download process, you can remove the battery first to prevent the mainboard from staying powered on, which may cause issues with resetting and downloading. The first way to enter download mode can be done by using the boot plus RST button combination. By holding down the boot button and then pressing the RST button, the device will enter download mode. Next, we'll demonstrate the second method. Open the back cover. Remove the battery and disconnect the power connector. Press and hold the boot button. Press the reset button and wait to enter download mode. Open the official Bruce Firmware flashing website. Click Install Now. By default, this will select the latest version of the firmware. Select LILYGO. Here, select T-Embed CC1101, then click Install. Click on the device's port number. Select the first option here to proceed with a normal download. Check the box to erase the existing firmware. Wait for the download to complete. Here is a demonstration of how to use some features. Enter the RF function interface and select Scan Copy. The current frequency is set to 315. Make sure this setting matches your target device before use. When you press the remote control, the device receives the signal. Swipe right here to configure the settings. Select Range to set the receiving frequency range. Go to Choose Fixed Settings. Find the target frequency and click Confirm. Take out the 433 MHz remote control and ensure both devices are set to the same frequency. Now, the 433 MHz signal is successfully received. Click to enter the RFID function interface. Select Read Tag. Now take out an IC card for identification. The IC card has been successfully read. Please note that encrypted NFC devices cannot be read. Currently, the T-Embed CC1101 can only recognize unencrypted MIFARE, FeliCa, and NTAG cards. It operates at a frequency of 13.56 MHz. It currently does not support CPU cards, DSFire, 125 kHz low-frequency cards, or cards using proprietary protocols. The IR function allows the T-Embed to read infrared signals and copy them for later use. Enter the IR function interface. Select IR Read and then enter Custom Read. At this point, the infrared signal sent from the phone is received by both the T-Embed and the controlled device. Now you need to save this signal's data. Swipe right on the encoder to save and name the signal. Here, the first saved data is named BTN0. Then proceed to save the remaining signals one by one using the same steps. Now we have finished reading the infrared signal sent from the phone. At this point, press the boot button to save these signals into a device group named My Device. Wait a moment, the data is now saved in LittleFS. Now press the top button on the device to return to the previous interface. Go to IR and select Custom IR. Select the device data we just saved. Go to Choose command to simulate the copied infrared signal. When selecting BTN0, the controlled device will display 1. Just as it did when controlled by the phone.